Are you a teen looking to make some extra money in your free time? Whether you're saving up for college, a new phone, or just some spending money, there are plenty of online jobs out there that are perfect for teens. In this video, we'll show you 5 great online jobs that you can start right now, no matter where you live or what your skills are. From freelancing to social media management, these jobs offer flexibility, convenience, and a chance to earn some cash while you're still in school. So, if you're ready to join the millions of young people around the world who are already making money online, stick around and let's get started. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button to be notified about our upcoming videos. Number 5. Sign up with some survey apps. If you're looking for an easy and convenient way to earn some extra cash, signing up with some survey apps is a great option. There are many legitimate survey apps that pay users to share their opinions on a variety of topics, from consumer products to political issues. Typically, these apps will ask you to complete surveys, watch videos, or perform other simple tasks in exchange for points or cash rewards. While you won't get rich from taking surveys, it can be a great way to earn some pocket money in your spare time. Some of the top survey apps include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research, among others. These apps often have user-friendly interfaces, so even if you're new to the world of online surveys, you can quickly get up to speed and start earning money. To maximize your earnings, it's a good idea to sign up with several survey apps and complete as many surveys as you can. With a little time and effort, you can turn your opinions into cash and earn some extra spending money while you're on the go. Number 4. Sell stuff. Selling your unwanted or unused items is a great way to make some extra money. You can sell anything from clothing and accessories to electronics and furniture online through websites such as eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace. Additionally, you can sell items through consignment stores or local flea markets and yard sales. To get started, gather items that you no longer need or use and sort them into categories. Determine the value of your items and set a reasonable price based on their condition and market demand. Be prepared to negotiate with potential buyers to maximize your profits. Keep in mind that selling items may take time and effort, but it can be a fun and rewarding way to declutter your home while making extra money. With the rise of e-commerce, selling stuff has never been easier, and you can easily turn your unwanted items into cash with a few clicks of a button. Number 3. Tutor online. If you have expertise in a particular subject or skill, tutoring online can be a great way to earn money from the comfort of your own home. Online tutoring platforms such as Chegg, TutorMe, and Wizant connect tutors with students who need help with various subjects. You can also create your own website or use social media to advertise your tutoring services and find clients. Determine your rates based on your experience and the demand for your subject or skill. Prepare lesson plans and materials in advance to ensure that your sessions are effective and efficient. Be patient and flexible with your students, and use a variety of teaching methods to accommodate different learning styles. Good communication skills and a passion for teaching are essential to becoming a successful online tutor. With the rise of online learning and the increasing need for education support, there has never been a better time to start tutoring online and make a positive impact on the lives of others while earning money. Number 2. Become an influencer. Becoming an influencer can be a lucrative way to earn money by promoting products and services on social media. To get started, choose a niche that aligns with your interests and create social media accounts on platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Build a following by creating high-quality content and engaging with your audience through comments and direct messages. Once you have a significant following, brands may reach out to you for sponsored posts or product placements. It's important to disclose any sponsored content or partnerships to maintain transparency with your audience. To maximize your earnings, work on growing your following and engagement rates, as brands are often more interested in partnering with influencers who have an engaged and active audience. Collaboration with other influencers or brands can also help to grow your reach and audience. It's important to stay authentic and true to your brand, as your audience can quickly detect inauthenticity or insincerity. With hard work, dedication, and authenticity, becoming an influencer can be a fun and rewarding way to earn money while sharing your interests and passions with the world. Number 1. Do tasks via Fiverr. Fiverr is an online platform that connects freelancers with clients who need tasks completed. You can sign up and create a profile, listing the services you offer and your rates. Some of the most popular services on Fiverr include graphic design, writing, programming, and video editing, among others. Once you have set up your profile, clients can reach out to you for work, or you can apply for job postings on the platform. Fiverr allows you to set your own prices and work on your own schedule, making it a flexible option for earning money. Building a strong profile with positive reviews and quality work can help you attract more clients and earn more money. It's important to be professional and communicate clearly with clients to ensure that you meet their needs and expectations. Consider offering different pricing packages or extras to provide more value and stand out from other sellers. Fiverr takes a commission on each job completed, so factor this into your pricing strategy. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time job, Fiverr can be a great option for earning money by doing tasks that align with your skills and interests. Thanks for watching our video on 5 great online jobs for teens. We hope you found the information helpful and informative. With the rise of the gig economy and the increasing need for remote work, there are more opportunities than ever for teenagers to earn money online. From signing up for survey apps to becoming an influencer or doing tasks via Fiverr, the options are endless. Remember to stay safe and be mindful of scams and sketchy opportunities. The key to success is finding something that aligns with your skills and interests, and putting in the hard work and dedication to make it a success. We wish you the best of luck in your online job search and hope to see you again soon. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content from our channel.